Shares. The term share is defined by Section 284 of the Companies Act 2013. Share means a share in the share capital of a company, and it includes stock. Share is the unit by which the share capital is divided. The total capital of company is divided into small parts, and each part is called share, and the value of each part or unit is known as face value. Share is the smallest unit of company's capital. The denominated value of a share is its face value, and the total of the face value of issued shares represent the capital of a company, which may not reflect the market value of those shares. The company's capital is divided into smaller parts, and each part is known as share. It facilitates the public to subscribe to the capital in smaller amounts. A person who purchases shares of a company is known as a shareholder. It expressing the ownership relationship between the company and the shareholders. People can invest in smaller amount to the capital of a company. Shareholder is a person who purchases the share, and he is the owner of the company. Features of shares. I have given the keyword for this answer. Over tip KD.
Point 1. Meaning. Share is the smallest unit in the total share capital of a company. Companies issue share to the public in order to raise funds.
Meaning, the total capital of a company is divided into small parts, and each part is called shares.
Point 2. Ownership. The owner of share is called as shareholder. It shows the ownership of shareholder in the company. The ownership of shares shall be recorded on the books of trust or transfer or similar agent for the trust, which books shall contain the names and address of the shareholder and the share held by each shareholder.
Ownership. A person can purchase any numbers of shares as he wishes. The person who purchases the share is known as shareholder or a member of that company. And shares shows the ownership right of a shareholder. Point 3. Value of a share. Each share has a value expressed in terms of money. There may be Point A. Face value. This value is written on the share certificate and mentioned in the Memorandum of Association. Point B. Issue price. It is the price at which company sells its shares. Point C. Market value. This value of shares is determined by demand and supply forces in the share market.
Value of share. The shares are associated with different value listed as under. Face value. This is the value printed on certificate. Issue value. It is the value at which company issues share to the public. Market value. This is the value at which shares are available in open market.
Point 4. Evidence of title. A share certificate is issued by a company under its common seal. It is a document of title of ownership of shares. A share is not any visible thing. It is shown by share certificate or in the form of demat shares. Evidence of title. A certificate under the common or official seal of a company specifying any shares held by any member of the company shall be prima facie evidence of the title of the member to the share. Point 5. Rights. A share confers certain rights on its holder, such as right to receive dividend, right to inspect statutory books, right to attend shareholders' meetings, and right to vote at such meetings, etc. Rights. Shareholders are granted some rights. Right to attend shareholders' meetings, voting power, ownership, the right to transfer ownership, dividends, the right to inspect corporate documents, etc. Point 6. Transferability. The shares of public limited company are freely transferable in the manner provided in the Articles of Association. Transferability. Transferable shares are shares that can be traded between buyers and sellers at a mutual agreed price. Any type of society is free to issue transferable shares as long as provision has been made in Articles of Association.
Point 7. Income. Because shareholders are essentially owners in the company, they reap the benefits of business success. A shareholder is entitled to get a share in the net profit of the company. It is called dividend.
Income. A shareholder's income from both dividends and sale of shares is included in their personal tax return.
Point 8. Property of shareholder. Share is a movable property of a shareholder. A shareholder is a person or firm that owns one or more share of a company's stock.
Property of shareholder. Share is a movable portable property of a shareholder in the company. Point 9. Kinds of shares. A company can issue two kinds of shares. A. Equity shares. B. Preference shares.
Kinds of share. Share can be of two types: equity shares and preference shares.
Point 10. Distinctive number. Unless dematerialized, each share has distinct number for identification. It is mentioned in the share certificate. Distinctive number. As per provision of Companies Act 2013 and rules thereunder, every share has particular number and that number should be mentioned in its share certificate. So, if you have physical share certificate, you can see one column as distinctive number and that number reflects that particular serial number of shares belong to particular folio.